When it comes to choosing new windows, homeowners often look for a balance of style, comfort, and everyday usability. Double-hung windows continue to be one of the most popular window styles because they offer flexibility, reliability, and a timeless appearance. For homeowners in Pasadena, double-hung windows are a practical choice that fits a wide range of home designs while supporting comfort and convenience throughout the year. A versatile style that fits many Pasadena homes feature a mix of architectural styles, from traditional to transitional and newer builds. Double-hung windows complement these designs with their clean, balanced look. Their classic vertical profile blends seamlessly with both older homes and modern renovations. For Pasadena homeowners, this versatility means double-hung windows enhance curb appeal without clashing with the home's existing style. Flexible ventilation for everyday comfort. One of the most practical features of double-hung windows is their dual sash operation. Both the top and bottom sashes can be opened independently, allowing homeowners to control airflow. In Pasadena homes, this flexibility helps regulate indoor comfort by letting warm air escape through the top while drawing fresh air in through the bottom. Ideal for changing conditions, homes benefit from windows that adapt easily to daily and seasonal changes. Double-hung windows allow homeowners to adjust ventilation based on comfort needs without fully opening the window. For Pasadena residents, this adaptability supports a more comfortable living environment without relying solely on heating or cooling systems. Easy operation and maintenance. Double-hung windows are simple to operate, making them a practical option for rooms throughout the home. Many modern designs feature tilt-in sashes that make cleaning easier, especially for upper floors. Pasadena homeowners appreciate the convenience of windows that are easy to maintain and use on a daily basis. Improved energy efficiency. When closed properly, double-hung windows seal tightly, reducing air leaks and drafts. This helps maintain stable indoor temperatures and supports energy efficiency. In Pasadena homes, better sealing contributes to improved comfort and reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. Safe ventilation for families. Double-hung windows offer safety benefits that many families value. Opening the top sash while keeping the bottom closed allows ventilation without creating an easy access point. For Pasadena households, this provides peace of mind while still allowing fresh air into the home. Reliable performance over time. Modern double-hung windows are built with durable materials designed to withstand daily use. Their straightforward design helps reduce wear and tear over time. For Pasadena homeowners, this reliability translates into consistent performance and fewer maintenance concerns. Enhancing interior comfort and functionality. Beyond appearance, double-hung windows improve how spaces feel and function. Better airflow, reduced drafts, and balanced temperatures enhance everyday comfort. In Pasadena homes, this practical comfort makes living spaces more enjoyable year-round. Professional installation makes the difference. To get the most benefit from double-hung windows, proper installation is essential. Professional installers ensure windows are aligned, sealed, and functioning correctly. For Pasadena homeowners, expert installation ensures long-term comfort and performance. A smart, practical window choice for Pasadena homes. Double-hung windows combine classic design with modern practicality. Their flexible ventilation, easy maintenance, and reliable performance make them a smart upgrade for many homes. For Pasadena homeowners, double-hung windows offer a practical solution that supports comfort, convenience, and lasting value.